You slept 8 hours last night. You woke up feeling like you slept 4. And here's the part that should bother you. You probably woke up dozens of times, and you don't remember a single one. Most people think sleep is simple. You close your eyes, time passes, you wake up. That's not how it works at all. Your sleep runs in cycles, about 90 minutes each. And every cycle has stages. Light sleep, then deep sleep, then REM. Here's what those stages actually do. Deep sleep repairs your body. REM repairs your brain. Miss either one, and you wake up broken. Now here's the problem. Those stages only work if you finish the cycle. Every time something wakes you, even for a few seconds, your brain doesn't pick up where it left off. It starts the cycle over. Think about that. You wake up at 2 a.m. for 3 seconds. You don't even remember it. But your brain just got pulled out of deep sleep and has to climb all the way back down. Now imagine that happening 15 times a night. You spent 8 hours in bed, but you never actually finished a full cycle. That's why you're exhausted. Not because you slept too little, because your sleep was broken into pieces. Here's what's doing the breaking. Alcohol. People think it helps them sleep. It doesn't. It knocks you out, then wrecks the second half of your night, cutting into your deep sleep and REM. You fall asleep faster and recover less. Heat. Your body has to drop its temperature to reach deep sleep. A warm room blocks that. Research shows heat directly reduces deep sleep and REM. Most people sleep in rooms that are far too warm and have no idea it's costing them. Light. Even small light, a street light through the curtain, a charging LED, a screen glance at 3 a.m., pulls your brain toward wakefulness. Stress. Your cortisol is supposed to be low at night and high in the morning. Chronic stress flips that. So you lie down with your body still in daytime mode and never fully drop into deep sleep. And here's the one almost nobody checks. Your phone. Not just the light, the content. You scroll for 10 minutes before bed, and your brain gets a flood of stimulation right before you're asking it to shut down. You're pressing the gas and the brake at the same time. So how do you fix it? Here's the protocol. It's strict. Follow it exactly. Step 1. Make your room cold. Colder than feels comfortable when you get in. Your body needs to drop its core temperature to reach deep sleep. If your room is warm, you're capping how deep you can go, every single night. Step 2. Total darkness. Not dim, dark. Cover the LEDs, block the window. No screens in the room. If you can see your hand in front of your face, it's too bright. Step 3. No alcohol before bed. I know this one's unpopular, but alcohol is one of the most reliable ways to destroy the second half of your night. If you drink, leave at least 3 hours before sleep. More is better. Step 4. Same time. Every night. Your body runs on a clock. Going to bed at 11 one night and 2 a.m. the next keeps that clock permanently confused. Pick a time. Hold it, even on weekends. This one is boring. It's also the most powerful thing on this list. Step 5. Kill the last hour. No phone, no scrolling, no stimulation. Dim the lights. Let your brain slow down before you ask it to shut off. You can't sprint and then instantly fall asleep. Your brain needs a runway. Do this for 2 weeks and something changes. You'll wake up before your alarm. You'll get out of bed without fighting it. That fog you thought was just how mornings feel, it lifts. That's not more sleep. That's the same hours, finally working. One last thing. If you do all of this and still wake up exhausted every day, see a doctor. Sleep apnea, thyroid problems, and iron deficiency all fragment sleep, and no bedtime routine fixes those. Being tired every single day is not normal. It's a signal. Save this video and tell me in the comments, how many hours do you sleep? And do you actually wake up rested?